Make your own memories in this charming Center Entrance Colonial, nicely sited at the end of a cul-de-sac. This home is surrounded by mature plantings, offering a tranquil setting, yet minutes to I-93 or the MBTA station in Wilmington Center. The original owners have lovingly maintained this spacious and bright home. A classic flexible floor plan with lots of windows allowing light to shine through. There are great entertaining spaces as well as a spacious home office, a formal fireplaced living room and dining room. The large kitchen with a center island has a good-sized casual dining space overlooking the exterior deck and the large backyard. Enjoy the nice fireplace sitting room and family room with its large cathedral ceiling for those Sunday afternoon football games. A spiral staircase in the family room leads to a second office or workout space. The second level offers 3 generously sized bedrooms with a family bath, as well as a spacious master bedroom with a walk-in closet and master bath. A large unfinished lower level has plenty of room for expansion. Wilmington is approximately 20 miles from Boston and still clings to its country origins. Wilmington is distinctly suburban, with stops on 2 of the MBTA's commuter rail lines. The town has grown rapidly since the mid-20th century, with a current population of more than 22,000, but it's still the kind of place where everybody knows their neighbors. The schools in Wilmington are above average, and the town of Wilmington is the perfect size, and it's a great place to live.